tanan amo ang patrons, among customers, thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts, no, for making our previous promo, the Ride with Blue promo, very successful one. And dili mi magsawa na maghatag og more prizes sa inyo. In fact, this coming weeks, no, natay new promo which is the Blue Energy Motorcycle Bonanza, wherein gahatag tag motorcycle every 15 days. So please just continue to patronize Blue Energy, and we will never stop our commitment sa inyo ha na maghatag og value sa inyo ang ginapatubil every day. Blue Energy, switch to Blue!